a door.
Oh my god. We can show it.
Yeah, we did. Hey, this is the way it stands for without burping.
Yeah, I didn't see it. What if you on the phone?
Better not.
He wants on. He's acting like nothing.
I don't think you've ever been here. I don't think he's ever been this height and big.
What's your kid? Oh my god.
He's not going out. He's not going.
No. That okay, so we have a cat. We're driving on our car, and we have a cat. Literally, our fat cat is laying on our car while
Yeah,
we're
and it's
driving.
so wicked. How about we put this on YouTube? We have to.
Yeah, okay. Maybe. Zackey, you get off.
Oh, come on. He's just still there.
No, you're gonna.
The scary thing is, I think he's enjoying his ride.
I know.
Oh, he got me a big head. Oh, he's staying on.
Still, oh my gosh.
Hey, here he goes. He's gonna get off now.
Get off. Okay, get off. Zackey, you must get off.
Okay, now do I spray or do I?
Oh, you're cruel.
I can't.
We both on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's looking
He's
at
not
you.
going out. He's not going out.
Oh my god.